Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chasiri, or you can call me Chat for short. I am from Thailand and right now I am living in Germany. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the 3 different looks that I create from the Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. And we are going to start with this look. But before we start our videos today, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Now let's get to it. Okay, and for this look, I'm going to prime my eyes as usual with concealer, and in today's look, I'm going to prime with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. Next, I'm going to dip into Clove with brown blush, and I'm going to pack this shade on the lid. You can use any packer brush too. And I'm just blending the edges with the same brush in circular motion. Next, with Real Technique brush, I'm dipping into Carnelian, which is this one, and I'm just blending my crease and Clove together. This brush is pretty great when you want to do a smoky eye, and it blends really fast. And then with my finger, I'm going to dip in Awakening. It's this pinky champagne, and just put that right on the center of my lid. And with a flat small detail brush with the same shade, I'm putting that on my inner corner. Such a pretty shade. And a little bit on my brow bone. And for my lower lash line, I'm doing the same, laying the first shade with Clove with the same brush I use on the lid, and I'm blending that out with the yellow with the same brush as well. And then I'm grabbing Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet, and I'm going to put this on my lash line. Also my upper waterline, lower waterline. And I'm smudging that liner out a little bit. And I just finished up this look with some mascara and no lashes. And for my lips, I am wearing Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick. I'm wearing the In the Flesh on the outer and Never Nude on the center of my lid. And this look is complete. Okay, I'm gonna start with primer, and I will be using the Maybelline Instant 8 Revive in medium. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with Beauty Sponge. Next, with a medium blending brush, I'm dipping into Jasper, which is this brick brick orange, and I'm stamping that on the crease, creating a halo shape. I'm not blending yet, just stamping along my crease. Now with a larger blending brush, I'm dipping in carnelian, this darker yellow on this palette, and I'm blending the orange out using a small circular motion and a scratch motion. I'm buffing the shade outward to create that gradient effect. And then once it's a little bit more outward, I'm just making a bigger circular motion and scratch motion. Make sure that the edges are smooth and seamless. We don't want a harsh line because it's not pretty. And this formula is just so easy to blend. I just love it. Next, I'm going to use my finger and I'm dipping into Day Spring, which is this brown shimmer here, and just pack that shade on the lid. Such a beautiful golden brown. And because my finger is quite big, so I'm going to grab a packer brush, a medium packer brush, and I'm just gonna pack that shade and also blend into the orange. And going back with my finger again, I'm dipping into agate, which is this light golden, and I'm just gonna stamp it on the center of the lid. For my lower lash line, I am grabbing the flat brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm dipping into Jasper again. And I'm just put that shade along my lash line. Now I'm just grabbing a round brush and I'm dipping into that orange, that yellow again, and I'm gonna buff this orange out. And for my inner corner and brow bones, I'm just gonna put the light gold shade on them using a small flat brush. The shade is called Agate. I don't know if I say it right. If I'm not, please correct me. Also, I'm gonna to put that just a very inner part here on my lower lash line. Now I am going to put some black liner, and this is from Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and cause I'm black. And eyelash I will be using in this look is from Ardell Lash in Wispy. And for my lips, I am wearing Becca Christie Teigen collection matte liquid lip in Lip Souffle matte liquid lip in red velvet. And this look is complete. Okay, for this look, I will start with priming my eyes with concealer, and in today's look I will be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Tawny. I'm so used to doing this eye first and then doing on this camera. I'm doing opposite. Next thing I'm going to do is grabbing a small blending brush and I'm dipping into this shade Clove. And I'm just stamping on my crease and bring it all the way to the tear duct. And instead of going too along with my crease here, I will just drag it out, like wing it. I just wing it a little bit longer than my eyebrow. And now I'm just gently blending that with swiping motion. Next, with Morphe M506, I'm gonna blend this shade out with Morgan, just this peachy nude. And I'm using circular motion again. This palette just so good. Like, I don't need to use a lot of effort to blend this shade out at all. Going back into Clove with a small blending brush, and I'm just reinforce that on the crease. And now with the concealer that I prime my eyes, I'm going to do a cut crease. I basically just draw it with the applicator and palette. So easy. And now with a packer brush, I'm gonna dip into Laurel, really beautiful champagne shade, and I'm going to pack that on the lid. On the tail, I'm just fading this shade out. And now I am going to add some black liner, and I will be using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in Cause I'm Black. For lower lash line, I will start with Morphe M506 and dipping into Morgan, and then just laying that shade on my lower lash line. And with a flat brush, I'm dipping into Clove and put that as close as possible to my lash line. And buff it out with the same brush. I also going to put L'Oreal on my inner corner, and I'm using a packer brush and just gently laying that shade down, and also on my brow bone. And I just finished the look with some mascara and no lashes. For my lips, I am wearing Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncuff, and this look is complete. What do you guys think of those 3 looks? Let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite. And that is it for today's video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!